What's up, Elite family? You now watching ETTV.
Come on, I'm not this.
Yes, sir. Look, he's smiling. He know what's up. Yes, sir, bro. We in B Junction with it. We on our way to my boy AJ birthday party. Happy birthday to you, my brother. He's one of the most supportive niggas I know. He's been supporting the channel since day one. So this vlog is dedicated to him and this memory. So hope you enjoy, nigga, because I'm about to make this a banging video.
Active. Hope y'all ready.
Yes, sir. Just got back on. We just got on the train, y'all. We was at Broadway Junction earlier. We shot new episodes of R20 TV.
Oh, I missed that. Really missed that. You probably sent us some shots, like photos. I seen some photos that showed them like how lit that should be. We'll put
one right here. We'll put one right here. And we'll put one right here. Y'all wanna see like my sexy ass with the gorilla hands and everything. Even other artists too. We outside.
We outside.
This boat party started at 10.
We did it early.
Hell yeah.
It's skin 30 right now.
Skin 30. Skin 30 because the sunset outside. All the light skins go out and they be like. Yo, bro. I don't get it, bro.
I don't know what the fuck that was. That's not dark.
It's called mewing. Stick to the program, brother, man. You. Oh my gosh. It's the birthday king himself, nigga. Yes, sir, nigga. Yes, sir.
Listen,
we got element in the cut. We got element in the cut, nigga. Yes, sir.
We got to make sure that everyone's turning up for this 2-on-2 boat party.
Shield. Burn it.
First boat party of the fucking summer, man. Many more to come. You know, we gotta.
Like you would have said 212.
Yo, what you gotta say to the vlog, yeah? Hey, fucking dream. Listen, guys, I think Rouge has a special message for you guys. You feel me?
Listen, if you guys don't come, something bad is gonna happen to y'all in the next coming week.
Burn your houses down and finish your entire bloodline.
Whoa! Roman Reigns, come save your bloodline, nigga.
Not like
bro, from what year did you time travel here to, bro?
I time traveled from 2077.
2077 to come celebrate his birthday.
Oh, see, yeah, we got time travelers getting on this boat, and y'all still not here? Slacking.
Y'all slacking, bro.
Yeah, but this nigga done revisited this day. You gotta tell me what happens, nigga. You gotta tell me what happened. He's revisiting this shit too much,
This nigga looked at that shit in the history books and was like, hold on. I gotta go. I gotta experience this shit for myself.
For himself again. He went multiple times.
As I should.
This is like your 5th time meeting me, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nigga, we meet each other.
Yeah, all the time. Every function.
Yo, bro,
We're both photographers and videographers, bro.
Come on, man.
Hey,
Oh shit.
we outside tonight. We outside for this one over here, the King's birthday,
King's birthday.
and we gonna have a great night.
Yo, man, I need that clip.
We gonna have a great
video.
With the legend himself, man.
What's up, guys? 212 yacht party tonight. Over 400 people coming. Slip 6, here 36. It's gonna be a phenomenal night. Super excited for this evening.
Yo, bro, y'all gonna get a sneak peek from here. Roaring 20s, 2-on-2 boat party.
Is the collab gonna happen? Are you guys want to see it? If you want to see, you gotta let us know, and we'll chop it up. Easy.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on now.
Yes, sir. Oh shit! Look at this nigga parking this big ass thing. That nigga parking that bitch. That nigga is saying parallel parking, sir. You know what I'm saying? Look at that shit slowly coming and parking. You gotta be a beast for that shit. Yo, everybody, can I get a happy birthday, AJ? Happy birthday, AJ. Yo, AJ, what the fuck? That was weak as fuck, bro. Yo, can I get a happy birthday, AJ, guys?
Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, AJ!
Oh shit.
Happy birthday, AJ! Let's fuck it up 2-on-2. No one's stopping us tonight.
What the fuck?
You're not funny, bro.
That shit about to hit. That shit about to hit. That shit dead by the hit. Look. Oh, nigga. That nigga dinked that shit, bro. He had that dinked that bitch.
Yo, I want you to pan this camera up to you gonna call these niggas AJ and friends. We got AJ, JJ, Brian, Ruby. Kids don't count.
Look at this. Oh, caught your dumb ass, nigga. So we just got on the fucking boat, y'all. Look at this fucking Ross-Clot line of mine. This shit, yo, that shit was all the way back there. What the fuck? We feel like Pink Panther right now. We Pink Panther right now. Oh shit. Yo, DJ, rompe esa mierda, coño. Ya tú sabes. Yes, sir. Yeah, we outside, bro. This 212 boat party. AJ. We gonna be up here very soon, but we got dancers and shit right now. This shit about to be active in a few, bro. Trust, cause I'm on this boat, so. Oh shit.
She said she in love with the song, she hearing the lyrics, she said she won't find out. I'm trying to swing it, I'm digging deep, now she won't turn up. I'm trying to swag it, I'm trying to dig in deep, now she won't turn up. I'm trying to swag it, I'm trying to dig in deep, now she won't turn up.
Oh, JB. Oh.
Baby, you damn sure. Spit some sexy, I'm still in the temple.
Oh shit. Oh, no. We started early, AJ. Ross-Clot. Who got them booty teeth? That's that booty meat. Who got them booty teeth? We outside. Beautiful ass bridge.
We out here, Lee Gates. We out here.
Yes, sir. We outside of Elite family. Yes, let me back the fuck up before I drop y'all niggas, because then I'll be really drip. Yo, we outside, we outside, we outside. Yo, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, bro. It's AJ Vlogs.
Fuck this subscribe. Stop playing.
so all savage, so it's a couple. She was so impressed that I couldn't hold, got a bad boo. I ain't shaking to the heavy for my brother, I ain't mad at you. Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the restroom. Landing in the trays, when she started doing what she tattooed. If she ain't even less with this bitch, that's what she nasty too. Yeah, my body different when I move, forget it, I'm real. And her body different, no way, you don't have to check, I hit a room. I'm an active fool, I get active too. I'ma eat that pussy like an edible. I'm from Pakistan, but I'm money, we poppin' that Adderall. For sure. That pussy be coming around when you was on the flames, girl, you. For sure. I ain't mad at you, but I had to do what I had to do. For sure. Attitude, she started being like she not true. For sure. And this week, that's how I'm looking. That's me. My shit.
outside. We outside, y'all.
I'm looking for the
We outside, we outside.
Can you get to the phone? Let me promise you won't let go. All the things that I need, all the things that you need, you can make it feel so real. Cause you come you've grown.
Shit they say. You fucked in a laser tag room? What the fuck is wrong with you? You know what's that,
This ain't what you want.
Yo, this is the blooper right here. I'm gonna go up to all my bitches. I try to get the maximum effort out of every single one of them.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to get in a fight over a bitch. Some nigga gonna say some shit. I ain't gonna.
Yeah, just don't get a fight over my bitch.
Hey.
These are unsober conversations.
Yeah, these are unsober conversations. It's
Very, very unsober
you already know who we're about to start with.
Oh shit.
We're gonna lean back. Hold on, we're gonna lean back. We're gonna lean back.
Oh shit.
Right in front of me. I will lie, you said that very loud.
Hop on the beat, I'ma show these niggas why I'm so fucking elite. Nobody else doing this shit, they ain't grinding harder than me. Fell in love with this fucking dream, now I'm just keeping it peak. I ain't really about this rapping shit, they know I'm menacing.